Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Picsart account. So Picsart is a photo or video editor that you can find on mobile or on PC. But this time I'm going to show you how you can use it or how you can create the account on mobile. So if you haven't have the app, you can find it easily on the App Store or Play Store if you are an Android user. You can go to your Play Store and click on search and then just find Picsart. Okay, so this one, Picsart AI photo editor video. So what you need to do is just download and install the app to your phone if you haven't, but this times I already download the app, so I just need to update it. Apparently there's an update available, so when you are done downloading or installing the app, you can just launch it on your phone. Just click on open. So let's just click on open in here. Then the Picsart application will be open. In here there are three options that you can do. If you want to create an account, you can use this button, directly create an account. Then you need to enter your email address in here and then tap on next, and then just create the password. And also after that your Picsart account will be created. Or you can also just connect or link the Picsart directly with your Google or Facebook account. So you can do that by clicking on the icon. For example, in here I'm going to just use my Facebook. You can click on the Facebook icon at the bottom. So after you click on the Facebook, if you already sign in on Facebook on your phone, you can just authorize Picsart to on Facebook. But if you haven't, then you need to log into your Facebook account. Okay, you can just choose between these three right here. You can also use Google by clicking on this Google icon and then choose your email's address, the email account that you are using, and then you'll be directed to your Picsart account. So your Picsart account will be created. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.